I'm going to show you in a few minutes how to create a really simple CRM for your company. And every CRM basically has three main structures: opportunities, companies, and clients. So I'm going to show you how to create a workflow for this process, a Kanban, and menu for navigation, forms for creating new companies, new clients, new opportunities. And I'm going to show you how to connect this data in order to have an ideal data structure for your process. It's pretty simple, but we are going to show you here how to start, and then you can create a better CRM for your company with more customization for your specific needs. And also, if you want, there is already a template called CRM on our store, and you can install on your account and then change it and play with it. I will also upload this one for our store, and if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know and we will bring this on our next video. So in order to start, if I want to build something, I'll go to the builder bar. So I'll click here and I will start creating a new Canva. So I will start with visually what I want to be built, and then I will go and create the data. So I want a workflow and a Kanban for my deals. So I'll just name this one as, I'll call it these deals. And this will be my new block. So now I have deals here, and I will also create now another page where, let's call deals. It's important to name your apps so you can remember. Let's add this here as with this icon and this blue. So I have deals. I will create also now a place where I can add new deals. So I will create a new super form. New deals form. And now I'm going to start a new table from my starting form, and I will select deal size, deal to code. Let's put out this. Deal temperature. I will add deal size. So here, currency. Size. And I will customize an existing field called title. I will change for deal title. And for now, I'm not going to customize this. I will just remove this logo and background. New deal. So now we have created one page for our Canva, one page for our form, and we also created a table for this form. So if I go here, I can access this table. This is my table. Here is where the responses will be saved from my form. So let's go ahead and also create the other two structures that we need. So let's create a super form, one for companies and another one for clients or contacts. Let's create one for contacts. Let's remove this. This is sample data. Let's create a new table. So our contact will have an email, and I will also go here to title and change this for name, full name. They will also have an address in case I want to send them a gift or something, or it's nice because it's also connected with Google Maps, so automatically you can save the coordinates for a specific address. And let's go and add also maybe a cell phone or phone. And let's save it. So now I have a contacts, so I have a form for creation, and also I have a table with these responses. And lastly, companies. This will be a B2B example. If you don't sell to companies, it's only contacts and opportunities. So let's go here and put companies. Let's change this. New company. Let's remove this and this. Create a new field. So let's go number of employees, and let's change title to company name. Keep in mind that you can also you can actually just add more fields, change the information, add tags, for example. These are I'll just create these ones to show you the basic structure. New company, let's change here to company. Let's use this icon. Now let's take this icon and companies will be this one. Companies, and we forgot to name the previous one, so let's go to K. Go here. Contacts. It's always important to just name it and change icons because it's easier to find it later. Let's put this one. Let's save it. So now we have the three main structures. I will go here to find my table, connect to this one. So here I have responses from deal. So this is actually the deal table. And this, its contacts is already named. And the other one is for companies. Let's go to its table here. So now I'll just do like this to show you guys how it works to connect more than one table. So here we have 3 tables: deals, contacts, and companies. So each company has n number of contacts. You can have John n and any other employee of that company connected to this specific, so contacts connected to companies. A company can have more than one deal. So every time you have a deal, you need to connect to a company. So let's go here, let's connect this. I will go and use the connected record. So n number of deals is connected to one company. Company. And the name of our form responses. I will use title as a label, but I could use another one. And as for companies, we had companies. It was this icon, and I will use this green button. Create. So now let's just add a company as an example to make it easier. New company. Nike. Nike has, I don't know, 1,000 employees. And I will remove these other 2 that are examples. So let's go here, let's refresh the page. Now I can connect to Nike. And when it's connected, I can also access Nike information from here. Okay. So another thing that we have to do is connecting employees to companies. So now I will go to the employee table, contacts, and I will also add a connection to companies. As you can see, everything is connected to companies here in a CRM. So companies, new company, table with title, and that was our icon. I will create a similar button. So this is John. And he works at San Francisco. 415. So now we can go here at Nike and see that there are two different information connected to Nike. A deal and a contact. I could come here and add more contacts. So now I have Josh, that's in New York, and he also works at Nike. So now I have 2 contacts for Nike. So now everything is connected, and now I can come back and create my app. So first, you create the forms, the app structure. Afterwards, you go and create fields and connect data, and then you come back and finalize your app using the structure that you just created. Let's go here. I will change Command K, and I will go to the deals. Now I'll actually connect a table here. deal table, and we need to create a variable for stage. So progress, new, and done, for example. Here we only have deal temperature. Doesn't make sense for our example here. So let's go to deals and let's create stage. It's a single option field. New, working. One case and lost this. So lost is bad. Green is good. Working will be like this, and new is this color. So now we have a stage, like it's a new one. I will refresh the page just to update with stages here. I will change to deals again. Deal table, stage, deals. Created by and at. I will remove this. Temperature will keep. Deal size, company, and stage I will not include as well. Let's set this. Now we have our Kanban with our deals. So I could add more information here regarding this deal. It's a new deal for offline store. Deal temperature is a hot deal. It's 2 million deal. So now I have more information on my card here. And I could use this and update this information as an example. Let's create another deal here. And regarding company, imagine if I have a new company that I want to add to my system. I don't need to go there and add a new one. I could just create from here. It's Rivian, I don't know, 1,000. And the deal size is 3 million. It's a cold one. It's a new model. Save. And then you can change colors here. You can change also the information that you have inside each card. But most importantly, it's interesting to also connect this to a form that you can customize and have conditionals and pages and inline information and other configurations that you can add in a form. So let's go here and just finish another deal for Nike, just to show that one company can have more than one opportunity. So Nike online store. It's a cold deal. It's a smaller deal. And I will just select Nike and save. So now I have my 3 cards here, and I have my Kanban with all my opportunities or deals. So I have specific forms for creating deals and companies and contacts. And I will add navigation to make it clear that I have all this information inside my app that I'm creating. So let's go and let's add menu bar. I will keep these colors. I will call this CRM. Not only deals, but companies and contacts. I think this is correct. And deals. Deals is fine. So now I also have here the navigation for my members to add new companies, contacts, and deals. So imagine if I not only want to show you to have a form to add new companies, but I also want them to have access to all companies that they already have on the system. Companies. Go here, I will select all the information. Let's resize it. Bring it here. So now I also have a list of companies here. I could do the same for contacts and deals. I will just change this for deals. And let's add an icon. Saved. You can customize how it works, of course. But one interesting thing that you could do is create forms for updating information or deals instead of have this standard form. Because, for example, maybe I don't want this information or it's too much here when I'm on this stage. So I'll create a new form for customizing all the information that I have within each deal. So I will create a new place only for deals that only for forms, for update forms. So I could do this for deals, companies, contacts, but in this case I will just build here the example for deals. So it's let's go and use this one. So I have a new deal form here, and I will have an update deal form. In order to go faster, I will clone this. Because it's already the same table and so on. So instead of new deal, it's deal update. Information. Here I will change the color. I will give it a background, darker background, and a button that will be green, title block, and background color will be almost white. So now I have custom information that I can use for updating deals. So here is the new deal, and this is the deal update form. There are different forms, you can customize them. Maybe you can add more stuff on the first form, and then later on you can just change for specific stage information that you want to add. So let's go to deals, and this is really really important step because I'm going to link that form with this opportunity. So I'm going to go here, and record update form instead of the standard form that we were using. I will change for deals. So deals, there's another one, deal update. I can select how I want to see this. So I could make this open in the center or full screen, and I can add show connected tables, show chat, for example, and show their record history. Save. So now, as you can see, I have a different form for updating information. If I want to create a new one, is the standard form. For creating a new one, I can also change this for the one that we built before. So I will come here and change this for deals. It's the other deals. It's new deal. Save. So here, if I want to create, now is the new deal. Maybe I want to make it full screen. So if it's a new deal, I can come here and change the configuration for full screen. And I have a title, temperature, size. It's important to also add here the company that I want to have on my deal. So let's go here and change for also show the company. But on the update form, I don't want them to be able to change the company, but I want them to be able to see this information. So I'll add it here, company, and it will be a read-only field. So if I go here and I open, I have Rivian here, but I cannot change this. I can only change when I'm creating a new company here. Another thing that's interesting that we could add here is colors to our Kanban. So as you can see, you have a hot deal here and a cold deal here, but it's really difficult to see when it's all white. So let's go here and change for conditional colors for cards. So when it's deal temperature is anyone, if it's hot, it will be this red, and then in another conditional here, it will be blue when it's cold. So now it's easier to see that this Nike deal, probably it's more important than this other deal that I have. So for a really basic CRM, that's the minimum structure that you need, which is companies, contacts, and deals. They are all connected, as you can see here. So when I go here and see everything that's connected to my deal, you could see here. If I go to a company, my company, and I want to see the deals that the company has, the contacts that I have, it's all in one place, it's all connected. I can customize this. I could customize all these forms. I can change also here, maybe it's too much space that I'm using here, so I'm going to change to show the company, the temperature and size together because there is smaller information. See, so now I'm using less space than before. And I could change colors. I could change colors for this new deal as well. Our Canva has a lot of information already, has the number of opportunities on this stage. Or here I could add an indicator here as well. So let's show this. Let's make it here. Let's create one simple one. So simple indicator. We'll go to the deal table, and I can see the sum of all deals that I have, deal sizes, sum, background color to be black, and save. So our company has 5 million in deals. Let's make just one line here, just to show a big number. But I could change this, I could add more information. I could change the color as well. And now, if we go here and we have a CRM for our company with conditional on the colors of our Kanbans, connected information, custom forms for each information. I have a company form here, new company with few employees, and also I have a table here that will have all the information about my companies for my employees. I have a form for my contacts, a form for deals, and to update deals as well. So this is a really basic structure for a CRM. Of course, you could do more here. You could add automations. You could add more customization in terms of colors, indicators, charts, and so on. So the idea here is to show you how to connect information and also how to build a really simple app. So it's also important to keep in mind to customize forms and create forms for a process. Start with an app, and afterwards go add all the fields that you need, all the data that you want to connect, come back and just tie everything up, change the information, change colors, and you can start using it as soon as you finish. And if you want later, you can change just activating here the builder mode again.